It's spaghetti in Desi style. That's why we are adding all these vegetables. The main ingredients for any spaghetti would be like Schezwan Chutney, Chilli Vinegar, green chili sauce, soy sauce, and some ketchup.
First we start by boiling water, so you can put spaghetti into it.
Okay.
Because you have to cool it down.
Okay.
So that would save some time. So you cook this till it is like 80% ready, and strain all the water.
Sure.
Remove all the excess water. Now you can start making the spaghetti.
Okay.
You add oil to the pan. I just use one because all the sauces that I have, they are spicy themselves, so you don't need. You cook everything on high flame.
Okay.
Now you add cabbage to this.
Okay.
And then add some salt to it. We would add little salt as we would add vinegar later on. So now you add the capsicum to this, or bell pepper. So now we start adding all the spices and sauces.
Okay.
Some green chili sauce.
Yeah. Bring it on.
Ketchup. So now we add spaghetti to it. It is ready now.
Okay. I can't wait anymore. Please serve it into a bowl. It's Desi Chow time. Please subscribe to our channel Desi in US.